Hello, friends. Happy to see you back. Hope all are staying safe. It's celebration time, guys. Our channel has reached 500 subscribers. It's a big milestone for us. A big shout out to all the subscribers. We appreciate your support. Keep supporting us and join with our journey. Those who are new to the channel, please subscribe. So, as an appreciation, we dedicate today's painting to all the friends and future friends of this channel. Let's celebrate friendship with colors, guys. Let's start. So today we have planned to draw a friendship with the moon, and you can see I have pasted a masking tape with the circular to represent the moon, and we have oil pastels here, some pencil, tissue paper, and let's start drawing. So what we are trying to draw is a boy and a dog sitting in a near to the pond or a lake enjoying the moon. So if you don't want to draw boy, draw a girl or a pet cat or dog, or maybe two friends sitting. So take out your creativity, guys. Do as much you like. And since this is a moonlight, we need to draw some dark areas. So starting with the black. So this step no need to be very accurately draw. We'll be blending it later on. So just give the colors. Don't worry about some white spaces here and there. So I'll be from the black, I'll be giving some lighter colors towards the moon. So after the black I'm giving some violet, then giving some light dark blue, then going to light blue. So now I'm just demarcating the water area. So we'll be showing a pond or a lake. So now I'm giving some dark blue area here and there. So make sure when you draw the area around moon, draw in a circular manner. Don't use horizontal or vertical lines. So the circular way gives you the better effect. As you know, the light spread from the moon, so make it circular. And now to the pond or the lake area you can do horizontal. So as you know, we need to draw the water texture or reflections. So better those areas you can give horizontal lines, but in the moon region give some circular. And now the next part, take out some tissue paper, fold it and blend it, guys. So while blending also make sure don't blend the very darker colors to the light color. So once the dark color is filled in the paper, remove it, take a new paper and blend in the lighter region. So, and other thing is, whenever you feel there is some intensity is missing in some area, add more color and again blend it. So that's the method, guys. So don't use the same dark side to blend in the light blue and all. So maybe that also will become very dark, so you will miss out all the colors there. So blend it very carefully, blend it in a circular manner around the moon. So while coming to the lake, maybe you can do horizontal way. So moon, again I feel like some colors intensity is less, I'm adding it again and again blending it. So repeat the process. If you feel some intensity is going away, add the color again and blend it using the paper. So here I'm adding a little dark blue near to the pond. So that's the method, guys. Keep on adding the color and blend it. So this gives a very good effect. This is a very powerful tool. You can create wonderful effects using oil pastels. So you can see again near to the pond, coming closer to the mud area or near to where boy is sitting, we need to make it little darker. Closer to the moon, make it little light. So that's what we are going to do here. I think the initial blending is done and it looks somewhat good. And again, some areas I feel the intensity is less, I'm again adding and again blending. So repeat the process until you get the correct colors whichever you like. So that's the method of using the oil pastels. So this is not the only method, but if you want to blend in, this is the method to do. And after all the colors, our boy and the dog is missing. This is just to show you guys where they are sitting and all those things. If you want directly, you can draw with oil pastels. I just want to make it very easy for you guys. So boy and dog, just take out the black and fill it like we do the sunset or we create a silhouette. So we are not going to do any shading or anything. Just fill out the black, completely fill in the dog and boy. I feel after using a little bit of black, it loses that sharp edge. Maybe be careful. If you find it very difficult with oil pastel. Maybe you can use a very dark pencil for doing this, or even you can use an acrylic with a brush if you find it more easier. So all those options are available. So sometimes this oil pastel may crumble and it will be difficult to draw very thin lines and all. So in that case you can try these methods. So fill out the plank. Now I'm drawing the lake. So coming to lake, we need to show the reflection of the moon. So some of the areas we need to draw very light. So I'm mixing light blue and a little bit of dark blue to draw small horizontal line to give the texture for the water and also the reflections of the moon. So make sure you don't draw very dark lines. So blend in. So use the paper or fingers to blend in. So giving a little bit rose color also here and there and blending in. So you'll be seeing why I'm giving this now. So later on you will come to know. So again, this is very important part. Make the reflection of the moon very clear on the water. So don't draw very bright white. Blend in and give some reflection of the moon on the water. So spread it out. Don't draw exactly around or anything there. Spread it out and draw it. Now I'm trying to draw some shrubs a little far away to the pond. So that will give a very dynamic effect to the pond. So make sure you don't draw too much and make it very difficult to see the moon and all the good colors we gave there. So I'm drawing a little bit of shrubs there with actually a darker kind of brown, and I'm just blending in because to create the effect of some bushes long back. So then I will be giving dark black and create some little more effects to the shrubs. So with the black I will draw a little more details. So don't fill out totally whatever brown or light colors you gave earlier. And there is again the option of using light gray or white a little bit. So this gray is very close to the white, so I'm giving a little bit and then blending with fingers here. So draw some shrubs or maybe small trees or something there. Now giving more details to the water. Again, the shrub we drawn, I'm giving a little bit shadow of the shrub to the lake. This gives a very good effect. So here also don't draw it very dark. Blend in a little bit. Still try to maintain that horizontal lines to make the reflections of water better. Now drawing to the land area, I'm drawing some shrubs and some tall grasses, or the water plants, right? So draw some kind of water plants or shrubs or small bushes near to the plank area where the boy and the dog are sitting. So don't get too much here. Don't hide too much of water also. Now I am removing the masking tape from the moon. Be careful, don't touch inside the moon. It takes away that brightness. Again, every time you do something with masking tape, something goes wrong. Nothing to worry. Little bit use light colors to blend in. Now I am drawing a tree. So this tree is not like what we drawn earlier, very big tree. Just a slender tree with a lot of branches. You can consider this as a cherry plant or that kind of a slender tree. So draw a lot of branches. Don't draw very thick trunk. So I'm drawing one branch across the moon also. So that part be very careful. Don't draw too much thick branch and hide the moon completely. Now coming to the leaf part, here we are not going to draw leaves with the black or anything. We are trying to draw a cherry blossom here. So a lot of rose color, rose and white tint flowers. So it will look very good in the moonlight. So draw that. I'm starting with a little darker kind of a pink or rose, then coming to light rose color. So give how to draw the leaves and the flowers. Put some dots. So especially darker areas, it will pop out very good. So put some dots and create some good effect. Don't just fill in like a cloud. Put some dots and create that effects for the flowers. That will give a very good effect. So once the light colors are done, keep on adding the next light color. So here I'm again adding some more white to give a lot of highlight regions. That gives a little more dynamic effect to the flowers. So I have a kind of cream color too, trying to put some more effects to the flowers. This part you can use the acrylic colors also, that will give a better effect. Sometimes use the brush and acrylic color, mix some rose color with the white, and put a lot of dots, so that will pop out more. It will be more colorful than this. So my aim is to do everything with the oil pastel, so I'm not using acrylic or any other medium, so completely doing with oil pastel. If you have acrylic color, you can try that, so that will also give very good effect. So now our tree is also ready. If you'll here and there the intensity of black is gone near the boy and the dog. So if you feel that, add more layers, make it more intense black, so that gives a very good effect. So next part, I like to draw a very starry sky with a lot of stars that give a very good dynamic effect to the sky. So for this I am using what you call like whitener or correction pen, so it will have a very sharp tip with white liquid. So make sure you don't draw the dots in a geometric way, make it very random. Don't make all the dots in same size, some dots small, some dot big, so that give a very good random sky effect. So other option was, before drawing the tree you can use acrylic white color and spread it using the brush or spray some color using the brush, so that will give some starry effect. So here we are not using that, everything we are doing with the oil pastels. And I just want to give some more details to the pond, so giving little more lighter bright light on the water. So don't totally draw white, spread it out, give some texture for the water, draw small horizontal lines, blend in, create that water effect. So this is a very good picture where you can create a lot of dynamic effects here. So I think the water looks almost ready, and maybe flowers I will need to give a little more darker shades here and there. So if you use acrylic color, it will be more easy. Now coming to removing the tape, every time I fault here, so this time I got a masking tape, and it's working fine, so it's coming out good. Okay, this time no issues with the tape, that's a very good sign. So guys, this is our painting, how it is. I hope everybody likes it. It looks so beautiful, very easy to make. Hope everybody will try it. This is very good for the friendship day. I dedicate this painting to all the friends of this channel and all my friends across the globe. So everybody, thank you for watching, and keep supporting us, join us in our journey. So those who are new to the channel, subscribe the channel, like it and share it. So until next time, we will be coming with very good tutorials on painting and arts. So till then, thank you guys, thanks for watching, bye.